Cosmetic dentistry is not one size fits all. There are a lot of things to consider when choosing someone to give you the smile of your dreams.
Well, Dr. Stephen Ghim has been named one of the top cosmetic dentists in Charlotte by his peers, and for good reason.
We're here at the office of Dr. Stephen Ghim, General and Cosmetic Dentistry. Thank you so much for having us here today.
Thanks for coming by.
What separates your practice from others?
Yeah, you know, we do a lot of cosmetic dentistry here, and we're very focused, and we have advanced training in color matching, and really our focus is on reconstructing smiles with a lot of color and detail. And actually, they get to actually design their own smile on our digitized table. We're the only one in the country that actually has that. We pull up patient pictures, and we can draw on it. They can actually take a digitized pen and design their own smile. And we incorporate, obviously, our expertise along with the patient, and then we talk about color matching, and how we can create that smile and really recreate some good cosmetic dentistry for them.
Okay, then you help your patient create what you call a smile preview.
You know, they can actually help me design what they think looks great for them. We'll take that template and we'll fabricate a little mold, and we'll put that in their mouth. Okay, and then what you can do is you can just take that out and they can walk home with it. And it's a piece of plastic. It looks analogous to the digitized product, okay, and they can walk home with it, show their friends, show their family, and really you can eat, chew, drink with it very gently, okay? And that, if that's something that they're interested in doing permanently, then we can talk about moving forward into something more permanent, into porcelain veneers or crowns.
You take great pride in your color matching. Talk more about that and that process for you here.
Yeah, we do it differently, probably different than most other dentists. You know, it's when we fabricate the veneers or the crowns or any ceramic pieces, we layer it, we bake it, multiple layers. So it's really a painstaking process. So it's not like one computer milled veneer and they glue it on one color. But when you look at it really closely, you'll realize that every single tooth has all those subtleties. So once you incorporate that into the porcelain, when the light hits it and reflects it, it gives it that natural beauty.
Dr. Ghim, a lot of times cosmetic dentists will say, oh, we need to replace 2, 3, or 4 of the teeth simply because the matching process is so difficult.
It is.
You can do just one.
We have ways and techniques with the 4K digital photography, the way we take our photography to bring out all those colors to actually match a single central tooth right up here perfectly 100% of the time.
When choosing a cosmetic dentist, a few things that people should keep in mind?
Sure. Really, there's a myriad of things, but there's a couple of key points which you know, I always tell patients that they should be looking for. First of all, do they have advanced training? I mean, anyone can say they do veneers, but you have to have advanced training. How is your continuing education? Do they do high-res digital photography? And the most important thing is they need to see a catalog of that doctor's own cases, befores and afters. All right, you don't want to see any stock photography, bought photography from an organization. So they should have hundreds of cases, and really, if it's a good match between the doctor and the patient, then yeah, then they can move forward.
Well, all the pictures you'll see here at Dr. Ghim's office are his work, and man, you're good.
Well, thank you, Colleen.
You're good.
Well,
Thank you so much.
Okay,
thank you.
Thanks so much for coming by. Okay.
I'm telling you, he is so good. He is an artist. I mean, he can match it absolutely perfectly. So, you know, a lot of times veneers look like chiclets. They look like
they look funny.
pieces of gum, and you can tell. With his work, they look absolutely natural. You can call Dr. Stephen Ghim at 704-935-2700. I'll say it again, 704-935-2700. Or visit drstephenghim.com. The spelling is there on your screen, drstephenghim.com. His office is located in the Blakeney area of Charlotte.
And that table was pretty cool, too, by the way.
Well, the only one in the country. Like, it's absolutely amazing. He blew my mind what they can do there in that office.
That's some good stuff here. Well, coming up on Charlotte.